Rough draft, take 7. Hi, this is William Dudley. My PLC has been assigned to present information about the California Education and Environment Initiative. What you are seeing is their homepage at californiaeei.org, which is very informative. I'll be going through a little bit of it during this screencast. The California Education and Environment Initiative is a statewide effort to make environmental literacy an integral part of K-12 education in California. And I wanted to point out here that the environment is the context in which we live our lives, and thus it provides students an intrinsically engaging and authentic context for learning. What they're saying is that it's not only important for students to learn about environmental concepts, but that because the environment affects us personally, it provides an easy way to engage students in the study of geography, in the study of history, in the study of other things. So that was part of the reasoning behind the creation of this initiative. A brief history. So history is down here. It goes back to a 2003 law to require environmental-based curriculum to be offered to all California public schools. So develop a statewide environmental principles and concepts, and develop a K-12 model curriculum, and also provide that curriculum to internet for free use by California teachers. So over the next several years, they went through a long process of developing and field testing and modifying both the principles and the curriculum. But what they came up in terms of the California environmental principles and concepts are 5 big ideas and 15 supporting concepts that examine how the relationship between the humans and the natural world. My cohorts, my co-PLC people will go into both the principles and the curriculum in more detail. I wanted to highlight that although these were developed independent originally from the California History Social Science Network, in 2016 they were officially formally integrated within the revised California History Social Science. And as a matter of fact, if you go to the 900-page framework, it talks about it, and go to page 804, Appendix G, and you have more information about the CEII. And then also talks about some of the curriculum they developed in the 3rd grade, the curriculum unit, and it tells the specific standard or standards that they support. So anyway, that is a basic introduction, and I will pass it on to my colleagues to provide some more detail as to how these principles and the curriculum can help social studies teachers, help teachers.